Hello guys, this is Greece here. Today I solved one interview question of Weley is. So it is to find the third largest element among the array. Okay, so given this question is that write a program to find the third largest element in an array. And the array given is the 5, 6, 8, 2 and 3. So in which the first largest element is 8, second largest element is 6 and third largest element is 5. And Another example is 25913. So, in which the first largest element is 9, second largest element is 5, and third largest element is 3. So, my answer is 3. So, the approach for that question is that first of all, I take the first element of the array and I take three variables. First is the largest, second is the second largest, and third is the third largest. And initialize all that three variables with the integer dot min value. Because when I initialize that values to the zero, then when any negative number is come, then it creates a problem to find out the largest and because it is smaller than minus negative number is smaller than zero, so it creates a problem. So I takes as an integer dot min value. So what can I do? I first takes a 5 as a first element and I check that element to the largest value. If it is greater than the largest value, then I put that value into the largest. After that I check to the second element of that array and I compare that second element that if it is greater than the largest element, then I put that element into the largest element, and if I found that it is greater than the largest element, okay, then I put that element into the largest, and that largest element I put into the second largest. Okay, because in largest element 5 is come, so I put that 5 into the second largest, and so I do that approach for the other element of that array. So I uh, take my board and take pen. So what can I do? That is the example 34982. So first of all, 3 is come and I take three variables. First is the largest, second is the second largest, third is the third largest. And I initialize that element with the integer dot min value. So first of all, 3 is come. Okay, 3 is come. And I make one that condition. If my nums of I means first element is greater than largest, then I put that element into the largest element. So check that in my 3, is 3 is greater than largest? Yeah, 3 is greater than largest. Then put that 3 into the largest element. Okay, after that 4 is come and find that 4 is greater than, first of all, that condition is come. So it check that 4 is greater than largest and in largest 3 is put, 3 is come. Okay, so it found that yeah, 4 is greater than 3. So what first I do? I slip that 3 into the second largest. Okay, I put that 3 into the second largest. After that, my largest is now free. Then I put that 4 into the largest. After that, my 9 is come, and then it check that condition first. Agrees that 9 is greater than largest, and in largest is 4 is already present. So that it checks, yeah, my largest is 9. So I what can I do? I slip that 4 into the second largest, but first in second largest already 3 is present. So first I do, I slip that of 3 into the third largest. Now my second largest is free. Now my second largest is free. So what can I do? I put that 4 into the second largest. Okay. So now what can I now what happened? That in largest then 9 is come. Okay. After that, I put that 9 into the largest. Okay. So in my largest value, 9 is come. In my second largest, 4 is come. In my third largest, 3 is come. After that, 5 is come. And then 5 is check that condition. What gives nums of I is greater than largest? What 5 is greater than 9? No, it is not greater than 9. So what happened? It goes to the second largest and then find out that condition. If my nums of I is greater than second largest, then check that condition. If 5 is greater than second largest, yeah, 5 is greater than 4. Then what can I do? I slip that 4 into the third largest. Okay. And put that value into the second largest. So I put that value into the 5. After that, last variable is 2. No, after that, variable is 8. Okay. Then 8 is check that condition. First of all, condition is nums of I is greater than largest. No, largest value is my 9 and 8 is smaller than 9. So it goes to the second largest value. Then it find check that if my 8 is greater than 5. Yeah, it is greater than 5. Then I put that value into the second largest. After that, and first I put into the second largest, then I am required to slip that value into the third largest. So now my third largest value is 5, then my second largest value is 3, then I put that 8 into my second largest element. Okay. After that, what can I do? My 2 is come. Okay, 2 is come. So what can I do? I check for that condition nums of I is greater than largest. No. After that, I go to the that condition if my nums of I is greater than second largest. No, because in second largest 8 is already present. Okay, very simple question. After that, I check for the nums third largest element, and in third largest element already 5 is present, and my 2 is smaller than third largest element. So my answer is come as a 5. So it is my third largest element. So I do the code for that question. Okay. So first of all, I take I take one int array, and put in that element 1, comma 5, comma 7, comma 8, comma 6. Okay. And I take n is equal to array dot length, and I make the condition for loop for int I is equal to 0, I is smaller than I plus plus. And before I do that condition, I am required to take three element as a first as a largest, okay, and initialize that value integer dot min value, okay. After that, I take one as a second largest integer, second largest also integer dot min value. After that, I take another third largest, and it is the third largest is integer dot min value. Okay. After that, what can I do? I make the conditions. After that, I make the conditions. If my ARRI is greater than largest, so what can I do? What can I do? I put the second largest element. I, I put the largest element into the second largest. Okay. If my ARR is come, then my largest is the second largest, and largest equal to ARRI. If that condition is not true, so what happen? If it is not true, so if it goes to the another condition, else if ARRI is greater than second largest and ARRI does not equal to largest. So what happen? What can I do? Now what can I do? I put the second largest element into the third largest, and second largest into the third largest, and I put the third largest second largest element into a third largest element, and in second largest element I put ARRI. Okay. And after what can I do? Else, one more condition I do for the third largest element. If my ARRI if my ARRI is greater than what for third largest element. Okay, third largest element and ARRI ARRI does not equal to what for that second largest element. Okay, so now my condition is third largest what come in third largest ARRI is come. ARRI is come. And this is my last. What can I do? Yeah, that is the now it is fine. Now it is fine. Now it is fine. Okay. Now I require to find out system dot out dot print third largest element. Okay. So my code is now okay. So first I check it is the largest element, then I put that into the largest element. If it's greater than second largest element and does not equal to, then now it is looked fine. Error is come in line number 15. Which error is come? Then that error is come, then I am not put semicolon. Yeah. So my answer is 6. Okay. Why 6? Because my first largest element is 8, second largest element is 7, and third largest element is 6. So thank you guys.